She's been writing notes during this entire rebuttal in the final arguments. She passes it back, and then look at him behind her. Just watch. He's been reading it the whole time. And then she's gonna glance back at him. He's like, I'm so fucking sick of this bitch. And then he shakes his head.
After nearly a month of allegations, the Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard trial is finally concluded. Unfortunately, according to reports, neither actor will be present in Fairfax County Court in Virginia when the verdict is read. But have you noticed the Aquaman actress writing non-stop throughout the investigation? Netizens have discovered what she writes down, and it may amuse you. So what's up with Amber's notes? What do her lawyers think? Watch the video to find out. Sleuths couldn't help but notice that the Aquaman actress has been taking copious notes during her time in court, which has many wondering what she's writing. Amber Heard's notes seem to have finally ticked off her lawyers, as we can see them roll their eyes or ignore her directly when she passes them. A viral video now appears to show the embattled star merely pretending to jot things down while writing nothing. So the Aquaman beauty could be seen writing something on her pad as witnesses testified. But what was Amber Heard scribbling on her notepad? One might wonder if she had any pointers for her lawyer's cross-examination or next statements, but she was also taking notes during the closing arguments. Fans of Johnny Depp have decided to solve the mystery, and several videos have gone viral on Twitter. According to viral videos, Amber Heard allegedly wrote nothing and only pretended to do so for the cameras. Several videos are close-up views in which the pen is clearly not touching the notepad. Several Johnny Depp fans are now mocking Amber for the same reason. A video that's gone viral even says, "Amber, instead you should make contact with the paper with your pen." Well, this explains all the note-taking, the video captioned, as fictitious as the abuse. Hashtag Team Johnny Depp. Another remarked that it was similar to her never-made charitable donation. Amber Heard is clearly flying under the radar of Johnny Depp fans with every move she makes. Depp 58 sued Heard 36 for more than $50 million after she claimed to be a victim of domestic abuse in an op-ed for the Washington Post in 2018. The article does not mention Depp, and Heard's lawyers have stated that it's protected by free speech. However, Depp's legal team claims that the article's implications were obvious and that this harmed their client's acting career. Heard then countersued for $100 million, claiming that she is not a liar and that her ex-husband assaulted her several times during their marriage. In a viral court video, jury instructions spur actress Whitney Enriquez, Amber Heard's sister, to glare at Camille Vasquez. Despite how widely publicized the proceedings have been, viewers are unaware of several details about the ongoing trial. What Heard has been writing throughout the trial is one of the key questions. While cameras have captured a close-up of the actress's writing, Rolling Stone reported that she has simply been taking notes on everything that has happened. While the contents of Heard's notes are unknown, it's uncommon for those involved in a trial to take notes to retain the information being shared and jot down ideas of one's own. A video that circulated on social media on Saturday, May 28th, appeared to show the Never Back Down actress pretending to write something in court while the page remains blank. A Twitter user shared the video with the caption, "Amber was jotting down everything Johnny had done to her. Nothing is translated." Fans of Depp couldn't help but make fun of her arch-rival Heard. "Wait, does she just pretend to write something?" Laughter. One person responded, "I was wondering what she was writing. Her lawyers had already prepared the closing argument. They weren't going to break their stride. Perhaps it was at this point that Elaine realized there was something wrong with Amber, which is why she later broke down and cried, 'Another person offered. I don't know what my actual hand motion was, but you're fine. I didn't write about you. I didn't write about you. I was writing about you,' someone else joked. A comment read, 'Definition of stage business, incidental activity performed by an actor for dramatic effect.' Another joked, 'Damn, she pledged some ink to the paper.'" The ex's ongoing legal battle is coming to an end. The trial started on April 11th, and there have been several shocking revelations about their troubled relationship, which included 15 months of marriage. Throughout the Fairfax County, Virginia trial, both parties have accused each other of domestic violence and abuse. It is now up to the 7-member jury to reach a unanimous decision. We do, however, have some knowledge of Amber's daily routine during the trial. The contents of Amber's court notes are unknown, but thanks to an insider close to the actress, we know a few things about her day-to-day life in the midst of the contentious trial. The person who was moved to Virginia to be closer to Amber and her 1-year-old daughter, Una Page, told the Daily Mail about Amber's current situation. Amber, for starters, follows a strict and regimented exercise routine. "I get her up every morning to do a workout before she goes to court," the source told the publication. "We create an environment that feels normal and routine," the source said, adding that after a day in court, Amber puts her, Una, to bed. She comes downstairs, we cook dinner, and try to wind down. Amber then reads up on the day's courtroom talking points and prepares for her appearance in the morning. She then goes back to studying and gets ready for the next day, they explained. "She's so focused and stoic, but this is a marathon, not a sprint." According to the insider, Amber is feeling the strain of the trial's current atmosphere. According to the source, Johnny's refusal to acknowledge his ex-wife must be dehumanizing, so we just try to boost her energy at home. For context, Johnny is suing Amber for $50 million, claiming that she defamed him in a 2018 op-ed for the Washington Post by making false claims about him. As a result, Amber is suing Johnny for $100 million. The trial was scheduled to last 6 weeks, which an insider described as an inhumane amount of time to be in a process like this. Only time will tell who will emerge victorious in the two megastars' heated Virginia court battle. The actress could also be jotting down her own ideas to present later in the trial. She could be compiling a list of witnesses to call to the stand to support her case, or she could be strategizing how to proceed with the case. There's no specific theory as to what it could be. Another theory advanced by Johnny Depp fans is that she takes notes to write a book later. Despite how ridiculous it may sound, the theory makes sense when considering Amber's past behavior. The actress gathered videos and audio tapes of her ex-husband behaving strangely in order to publish an op-ed against him in the Washington Post, where she claims to be a columnist. Similarly, she could be taking notes during the trial in order to write a memoir about it that will be a bestseller whether she wins or loses. A Reddit user succinctly described the behavior, writing, "An OJ if I had done it style, along with her opinion on all the ways she would have done it better and how her legal team screwed it up and lost the case." The remark is in reference to the famous O.J. Simpson trial, to which the Depp versus Heard trial is considered a successor. Based on the notes he took during the trial, O.J. Simpson went on to write a book about his experience. People have also speculated on why Amber's lawyers might be irritated by their own clients. Amber could be seen passing notes to the lawyers on legal strategies that they might find inadequate. They might even be annoyed that Amber is attempting to advise experienced lawyers on strategy. Furthermore, in the specific incident where Ben Rottenborn ignored her, it could have been because the trial was nearly finished with everything planned. Any note passed by Amber will make no difference because Team Heard has already rested their case. Some believe Heard may be criticizing her lawyers in the notes. She could have been suggesting how they could have better questioned someone or ordered the presentation of evidence. This will enrage any experienced attorney, such as Ben Rottenborn. However, Amber's reaction is understandable given her team's string of legal gaffes, which range from indirectly calling Depp a victim to equating eating candy with narcissism. This is not to say that Amber hasn't made mistakes of her own. For example, Camille Vasquez, Depp's lawyer who cross-examined her, repeatedly proved the actress to be a liar. What do you think of Heard's notes? Do you find the lawyer's actions to be justified? Let us know all your thoughts in the comment section down below. As always, stay subscribed for the latest updates.